Hello everybody, how's it going? This is my third video that I'm recording because I have 3 channels and I'm trying to make content that is distinguishable from one to another. This video is for my channel called The Vanlife. I haven't posted here in a long time, although that is going to change. I am in my van right now. I don't know if you could tell how much work went into building this van, but a lot of work went into building this van. And this channel is going to focus on a lot of that hard work. I am going to be posting a lot of shorts here that are going to be going through the myriad of different things that I had to overcome in order to build this van. I have learned so much, from making my own magnetic window covers to cutting countertops, to sewing upholstery, to cutting tables, to finding this amazing sliding and rotating table stand that I got from China. Amazing stuff. I have been building this van for the past 3 years and it's finally finished. If you guys build vans and are watching this, then you know that a van is almost never finished. If you're making it, you're going to be making it forever. And I have been building this van for so long that honestly, the light at the end of the tunnel, I didn't know if it was ever going to get here. It has been so elusive because every time I walk down a path, it opens up a huge can of questions and that need answering. But now that things are done, what we are sitting in right now is the studio end of my custom van life van. There is so much to this van. I couldn't put it all in one video, although I am going to make a tour video of the van itself because those do really well and I really want to show off this van. But this is more of a reacquaintance with you guys and to tell you what to expect from the channel now. I have recorded a lot of B-roll for all the different things that I built in this van. Some of it is on my other channels, but I want to make sure to have it here on this channel because my other channel is travel related, but it's not necessarily van life, it's cycling and different things. I have another channel that's more China related, but this is going to be a channel dedicated to this van and the stories that went along with it. I'm about to embark on a big trip. In about a month, I'm going to be leaving with this van. Attached to this van will be my, I ride something called a recumbent trike. It's a 3-wheeled cycle, and I created a rig on the back with a company called VanUp that created a custom rack on the back. VanUp's amazing. I have a video about it. I'll share you more about that later. But I will be driving around North America, and I will be stopping for hiking trails, cycling trails, visiting bike shops, visiting people who I'm friends with, but I'll also be visiting people in the van life industry. If you yourself have a van and you want to touch base, you have any advice for me on places to park, places that are cool, hey man, if you got a van, you got to stop here while you're here. My plan is to take and ride all the way around North America, basically. So leaving no stone unturned. Along the way, the content on this channel will be this van in particular on this channel. And so I would also like to meet people who have their own vans and bring them into this van studio and sort of share their story, because that's what I designed this for. I designed my station to be here and somebody to sit over there, and then we can have a cool podcast talk. I'd like to have a podcast from the van that will be as I travel around. The other places that I plan to go are van life industry events like the Overland Expo, Adventure Van X. Keep an eye out for me and leave a message or a comment. Just a short video. I wanted to say hello to the van life community because there's not a lot of people here, but there's going to be a lot of content here. And I'd like to focus a lot on short form because I have so many people that have sponsored and worked with me on the build. Maybe not officially sponsored, but they've sent me some stuff. They've helped me with advice. And a lot of these like cool short form videos can highlight each of these items. And then I'll also do larger videos. As a matter of fact, I'm working on my laptop right now. And the other cool thing is that
南部最近冷得刺骨，但我没意见，因为我的货车配备 Rixon Enterprise 的液压加热。
I'm making content in China as well as in the States to talk about the different things in the van, and that's a short that I made and I translated to Chinese. And it's kind of funny, you record your voice and you can actually have the translator mimic your tone of voice in Chinese. So that was me speaking perfect Chinese, reciting a script that I originally recorded in English. It's kind of wild to hear myself.
液压加热系统，它
I mean, like, yeah, it is my voice. It is pretty wild. But anyways, lots to come. Looking forward to you joining the journey. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll also leave an email address and reach out to me there. So take it easy, guys. And we'll catch you in the next one.